This video, I show you the best 2 apps that pay you real money, which are the easiest ways to earn free PayPal money. How to do it? We're about to find out. These are the best apps that pays you real money. First app name is anegan.com. Anegan is a perfect way to earn passive income online, because you will be making money by sharing your internet. Now don't worry, your security isn't at risk or anything. And as you can see here, Anegan is indeed secure. It ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. So they won't steal your data and your internet traffic is only used by the people they trust. If you want to read more on this, you can click right here. Just below, you can see how Anegan actually works. And long story short, it makes the internet more accessible to other users out there. And in turn, you get paid for just that. Down here you can see the 5 steps to Anegan. So your first step is installing this. You then run Anegan. The app will gather data using your internet data, which will help other businesses in the process, and finally, you get paid. You do so through PayPal or Bitcoin. The last thing worth noting about this app that I can't leave out is the fact that it does not pay a huge amount of money. And the money you get paid depends a lot on your internet connection. But I have to remind you that this is a passive income method. With Anegan, you can just leave it running and it makes you money. So in my opinion, you should use both Anegan when you don't have the time to do anything, and Userfeel when you do. The second app that we will be covering today is moneyop.org. This is one of the best rated apps of this kind that I've ever seen out there. And as you can see, it's also available for both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. If you come over to the App Store, you will see that not only does this app has a 4.9-star rating, but the said rating is given by hundreds of thousands of people. So this just proves that this app can and will get you paid. You will get paid by completing various tasks they have to offer, which will earn you credits, which you will then exchange for money. So that's all there really is to it, nothing complicated, and that wraps it up. Those are the best 2 apps that pay you real money. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification.